We're a company that is world's leader in carbon fiber manufacture of wheels. We started predominantly in the motorcycle industry, and now we're in automotive as well. What is quite amazing is on the tip of Africa, we are actually OEM supplier to many of the world's leading brands, like for example, Ducati, MV Agusta, Norton, and several other of the world's leading OEMs. So it starts out as a performance-based thing. So because it's lighter, what happens is the motorcycles and the vehicles perform better. They stop faster, they accelerate faster, and they turn better. So we were very much racing orientated to start. We started out trying to increase performance, and we found it out that we got better tire wear, better life, better sound in the car, dampening and all of those things. And that's purely from a basis of the carbon fibers characteristics.
At Blackstone TEK, every carbon fiber wheel begins with precision engineering. Using CAD design, each mag is digitally sculpted to optimize weight, strength, and performance. From there, high-grade carbon fiber sheets are meticulously hand-laid into custom molds. Each fiber is aligned with purpose, layered to manage stress in critical zones. The wheels are then vacuum sealed and cured in an autoclave, where intense heat and pressure fuse the fibers into a single, rigid structure. Once cured, each wheel is CNC machined to perfection, standard by hand, and finished with UV resistance clear coats. Finally, they undergo rigorous testing, from inspections to impact and load testing, ensuring each wheel meets the highest standards of safety and performance. This is more than manufacturing. This is carbon engineering mastered.